It's movie night, guys. Movie night. So guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see, I am going to make nachos. And this is how I make my nachos. I have my chips. Okay, I already do my chicken, which I cut up and I fry. And I have my nachos here, which are just the Tortitas chips. I'm adding the chicken breast that I already cooked. That's the first thing I'm adding on top of the chips. I'm adding some salsa sauce. Salsa sauce make it taste so yummy. If you do not want to add the salsa sauce, you can add anything at this point. So guys, you can add anything, and I add just as a simple nachos. I'm not adding too much of ingredients on it. I add cheese. And now I'm doing a second layer. It's just a simple nachos for tonight. And I'm using whatever I have. So I'm layering it again with another set of chips. I'm doing 2 layers. So set the chips here nicely on the platter. And this is what I did again. I added chicken and I add the salsa and I add some cheese. So now this will go into the oven and this will bake. And now my nachos, you don't bake it for a long time, just melt the cheese and that's about it, guys. Thank you guys for watching my channels. As you can see, this is completely baked and it's time to taste. Guys, thank you for watching my channel. Nachos, look at mine. What are we going to do tonight? Movie nights? Taste it. See how it tastes. Yum, yum, yum. Yum, yum, yum. How is it?
Very good.
Delicious?
Yeah.
Cheers. Mmm.
So good.
Cheers.